Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to verify my identity on dubizzle. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into the dubizzle account, hover over here to your profile icon or your name, and then you get this drop down, click on get verified. From here, click on get verified again, and you need to first take photos of the front of your ID and the back of your ID. Or you can also go ahead and use the app and take the photo from there on your mobile device, right? You can scan this code. Otherwise, click on take photo, and then you take the photo from your PC or whatever device you're using. Click here on capture. That was for the front of the ID. Make sure all the details are clearly visible and your ID is not expired. Okay, it needs to be valid. Click on confirm, and then you do the same thing with the back of the ID. Take the photo, click here on capture, and then click on confirm. Make sure nothing is expired, and then you need to take a video of yourself, a selfie video, to complete verification. This is a liveness check. Make sure the room is well lit and there's a plain background. Open the camera, click here, and then click on record. It'll be about 5 seconds. Let it record the whole thing, and then you'll come here and just submit the video. And as you can see, everything is now uploading. And once it is done being uploaded, we have submitted a verification request. As you can see, it is going to be reviewed. And you can always review your status from your profile section right here. As you can see, verification is under review. And that is how to verify my identity on dubizzle.